Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is abandon. It is pronounced a-ban-dun, and it is spelled A-B-A-N-D-O-N. Think ab, then an, and then don. Abandon means to leave something or someone behind, usually permanently, or to give up control or restraint of something or oneself. It's a great word to use when you want to talk about something or someone being left behind, or someone who is acting without restraint or self-control. Let's discuss some examples. You could say the ship was abandoned in the middle of the ocean. Or, he abandoned his dreams of becoming a professional athlete after his injury. Here we've used the word abandon to show something that has been left behind. You could also use it in the following way. He plowed through the crowd with total abandon in order to reach the front. Here we've used the word abandon to show behavior that is being carried out without restraint or self-control. The word abandon comes from the Latin word abandus, meaning having been led away. Abandon has been used in English since the 14th century to describe the act of leaving something or someone behind, but now it's also used to describe giving up control or restraint, as we spoke about in the example of the person clambering or struggling through the crowd in order to reach the front. Synonyms for abandon include forsake, desert, relinquish, renounce, and leave behind. Antonyms for abandon include keep, hold on, persist, retain, and continue. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today. Abandon. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.